Hello my friends. So 3 months ago I finally plucked up the courage to just hit record and upload a video to YouTube. It's something that I've wanted to do for well, probably over a decade, but I've never really thought that I've got the right subject or the right voice or the right face or anything to do YouTube, and so there's always been like an endless list of excuses not to do it. I've tried dabbling with a couple of videos in the past, but never really anything serious, and so I decided that I was going to give it a go. I've recently got into riding motorbikes and figured that I'd start a channel focusing on my newfound passion. So yeah, 3 months ago, almost to the day, I uploaded my first video. I had an old GoPro Hero session that I'd had for a long time. It was only capable of recording in 1080p. It didn't have any stabilisation or anything like that in it. So I bought a cheap mount, stuck it on top of my helmet and went out for a ride. I come back and had a look. The video quality was terrible. It was really shaky. It was hard to see. The wind noise was ridiculous. But I thought, sod it, I'm going to upload it anyway. I couldn't use the sound because it was so bad, so I just uploaded some music or added some music to it, and a crappy thumbnail and a title, and yeah, the rest is history, so to speak. But what I learned from this first video is one, how important good sound is for a decent quality video, and also that you really need to put some effort into actually the quality of the recording as well, because watching the video back, the shakiness of the camera and the fact that it had no stabilisation was absolutely terrible. So my first lesson was that I've got to get a decent audio input source, and I'm gonna have to buy a better camera. So that's exactly what I did, and I'll follow up on that in the next video. In the meantime, if you've enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel to follow my progress as a YouTuber. And if you've got any questions or you want to share your stories about starting a YouTube channel, then please leave them in the comments below, and I'll catch you in the next one.